Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Main, and today I'm going to discuss what a course management system is. And then we're going to dive into the specific CMS that's called Edmodo, which is what your school and district has decided to incorporate into your classrooms. So first, we need to talk about what a course management system is. What a course management system creates an online environment for distance learning. Teachers can use a course management system to deliver content to their students when they're not in the classroom. Teachers can upload recordings of classes, lecture notes, homework assignments, and even quizzes. After you upload content onto your CMS, students are able to review content and even download it. This system allows for interaction between both teachers and students. A course management system can even offer a tool called a discussion board. Discussion boards allow for students to interact with one another. Students can post on the board and then read and respond to what others have posted. This keeps communication and interaction going between students, even if they are not in the classroom. A CMS can also work as a gradebook and allow students to track their progress within the class. Teachers can create areas where students submit assignments, and then once the teacher grades the assignment, a grade will appear so students know how they did on that specific assignment. If a teacher decides to create online quizzes, they can set the quiz to be graded after the student submits the quiz. This gives real-time feedback to the student on their quiz. So there are many different types of course management systems, and we're briefly going to discuss 4 different ones. Blackboard can be used in synchronous and asynchronous classes. This system is one of the leading course management systems. Teachers and professors are able to upload their content, create exams, create rubrics, keep a gradebook, and communicate with students. Blackboard is not a free platform, and prices are not easily accessible. So you have to actually contact Blackboard to get a price to then decide if you want a license. Canvas is another type of CMS. Canvas does have a free side for individuals to utilize, but many universities and schools will buy a license to use Canvas. Canvas is much like Blackboard that can be used in both a synchronous and asynchronous class. Again, teachers can upload content, create exams and rubrics, and keep a gradebook. Edmodo is a free system that allows teachers to create online classrooms. This allows teachers to upload content, have discussions with students, and keep parents involved. This is what I'm going to walk you through later in 2 other tutorials that you will find on the website. Google Classroom is thought of like a course management system, but it has many differences. One major difference is that it does not keep a grade book. Yes, you can let students see how many points they've earned on an assignment, but it does not actively keep up with the grades like Edmodo, Blackboard, and Canvas do. Google Classroom does not have a discussion board aspect, but Google Classroom has great tools since it syncs with Google accounts. Teachers can create documents on Google Classroom or on Google Documents and share with students and even allow students to make a copy of that document. There are many great features with Google Classroom as well, and I definitely encourage every teacher to try at least to explore their options that Google Classroom has to offer. So why choose Edmodo in your classroom over other CMS systems? Edmodo caters specifically to K through 12 rather than a business and higher level education. Edmodo is a free platform for students to create classrooms. It is almost built like a Facebook homepage, and I'll show you that whenever we go through the tutorial. Teachers are able to schedule assignments to post on the classroom. Students can download the assignments and then submit it once they've finished. Teachers can also create tests and quizzes that can be set to grade automatically, giving instant feedback to the student. Teachers or students can ask poll questions or discussions to collaborate and interact with their peers. Another feature is that parents can be added to Edmodo so the teacher can contact and interact with the parent as well. So this is the end of this tutorial on what is Edmodo and what a course management system is. If you will go onto our website where you found this tutorial, you will find the two additional tutorials. One that walks you through what Edmodo looks like, how to work it as a teacher, and the second one will actually walk you through Edmodo as a student and what it looks like from a student's perspective. I highly recommend you checking those out. And also, I highly recommend that if you feel like you need more tutorials on this, that you reach out to Edmodo because they offer tutorials for all teachers and schools that need it. You do have to pay for them, but if you really want to know everything there is to know about Edmodo, I totally think you should reach out to that as well. Please let me know if you have any questions. My contact information is jrmain@uark.edu. Thank you, and hopefully I will see you on our other two tutorials.